Good morning. Good morning, guys. Magkape muna tayo. So, healthy coffee gagamitin natin. Kasi mamaya mag-walk na rin ako. Ganyan. Ito po yung gamitin nating coffee. So, alkaline coffee. Ayan. So, healthy coffee. 7-in-1 corn coffee, zero sugar, 100% alkaline. So, ayan, binuksan ko siya. And then, ito. So, ganyan siya. Ayan. So, nakatibag yung coffee natin. Lalagay lang natin siya and then, itanawin natin. Dahil healthy food or healthy drink ang gamitin natin ngayon ay alkaline coffee. Ayan, Alcorn brewed coffee. Ayan siya, guys. Let your day begin with a healthy cup with Alcorn brewed 7-in-1 coffee. Ayan siya, zero sugar, 100% alkaline, a perfect blend of 7-in-1 healthy ingredients to boost your body and mind. Ayan. So, meron siya sa box, kung ano mga ingredients niya. 7-in-1 corn coffee. Ayan, guys. Thank you. And good morning again. Let's drink our coffee. Bye.